Hello, pre-kinder level class, and this is a recorded class, and the date today is May 5, 2022. It is a Thursday today, and it is time for school. As a reminder, this is also the first day of review week. So we are going to do our review for the fourth quarter assessment. And how about let's move on to our lesson today, and let's check. We have to practice writing our letters also. So if you have your whiteboard and your whiteboard markers, let us write our letters. Let's go to letter A. The first letter in the alphabet is letter A. How do we write our A? Start at the top and also a line again, straight line down at the top from the top and line across. That makes your capital letter A. How about lowercase a? Go around, going up and down. Again, go around, up and down. We have capital and lowercase a. Now, how about for the things that go in A? Remember, A has the sound. Sometimes it might also have the A sound, just like in A. So we have A for the airplane. There's A for the alien. There's A for acorn. We also have A for the apron. What else has letter A? A for the anchor. A is for the alligator. We also have A for the apple, and A for ant, and A for axe. So these are the pictures that has the sound or A sound in letter A. There are two kinds of A, capital and lowercase. And how about we move to the next letter? And if you did very well in writing your letter A, good job. Let's move on to our letter B. Let's make our letter B. A line down, go back at the top, around the tree. Around the tree makes letter B. That's capital B. Lowercase letter B. A line down and add a bear's belly. Lowercase b. And B has the b sound. What are the things that begin with B? B is for the b, B. B is for banana. Banana. B is for the bread. B is for box. B for the bus. B for bat. B for balloon. For butterfly. For boots. And for ball. So we have all those things that has the b sound. B. Letter B. Two kinds of B's. Capital B and lowercase letter b. Let's jump to another letter. And if you did letter B on your board, good job. Let's move to letter C. How do we make C? Letter C is like the curvy road for your cars to go to. So let's make C. Go around and stop. Go around and stop. You have your capital and lowercase c. And C has the sound, letter C. C for the caterpillar. C for the cat. C for the cactus. C for cloud. C for calculator. C for cow. And C for carrot. Those are some pictures that has the sound for letter C. Capital C, lowercase c. And C has the sound. Jumping to the next letter, here we have the letter D. And this time, let's make the capital D line down, go back up, add a semicircle, capital D, lowercase d, line down, make a donut to the side, lowercase d, capital D, lowercase d, the sound of D is the sound of D is the. All the letters make the sound. The sound of D is the letter D. D is for the dog. D is for the drill. D is for the deer. And D is for drum, an instrument. D is for the dart. D is for the donut, a snack that you can eat. D are for the dice here. And D for an animal found in the farm, the duck. Remember, D has the D sound, and there are two kinds of Ds, capital D, lowercase letter D. Let's move to another letter, the letter E. Line down and add three shelves. 1, 2, and 3. Capital E, lowercase e. Line straight down and go around like an egg on a plate. That's capital E and lowercase e. And E has the sound. And sometimes it also has the E sound, just like in letter E. So let's check our pictures that begin with E. There's E for the envelope. You put your letters in an envelope, the ones that you write for, and give it to the people that you love. You put it in an envelope. How about for a mighty bird? It's the eagle. E for eagle. E is for your ear. You use your ears to listen, to hear. E is for a vegetable, the eggplant. E is for Santa's helper, the elf. E is for a big animal, the elephant. And E is for the egg. So these are pictures that has letter E, the ones that begin with sound or E sound. Let's jump to another letter. How about we do letter F? Let's make our F. Line down, add two shelves, 1 and 2, the letter F, capital F. Lowercase f, like a flower, going down, line in the middle, lowercase f. Two kinds of F, and they both have the sound, letter F. Sound, letter F. The things that you should color for letter F. F is for fan. You can turn on the fan when you feel hot. F is for the flag. F is for the football. F is for flower. F is for the frog. F is for the fish, for fork, for flamingo. And the last one here is what the firefighters use when there's fire. It's the fire hydrant. So we have to color this one. These are the things that begin with F, and we have both capital and the lowercase f. Now let's go to our numbers and let's check the number for empty, for nothing. That is 0. When you make your 0, go around like an oval. That's the number 0. Let's spell out the word 0. Z, E, R, and O. That is 0. And let's circle the pictures that show 0. There should be 2 in each number. So we have to circle an empty plate. There's nothing on the plate. Someone was hungry. They ate the food on the plate. So that's empty already. That's 0. How about the balloon? It popped. That's 0. No more balloons if it popped. How about for the blocks? The lined up blocks. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I marked and I counted. It's 5, not 0. So the things that we have here for 0, an empty plate and a balloon that popped, that's 0. Now let's jump to another number. After 0 is the number 1. Let's make number 1 straight line down like this. It's number 1. Let's spell the word O, N, and letter E. That's 1. Now, where is 1? What are the pictures that we need to circle for 1? This one is an empty frame. No dots found. That's 0. How about for the dinosaur? There's one dinosaur. And for our hand, how many fingers are showing? Only one. Showing a thumb. So that's 1. O-N-E, 1. 1. Let's move to another number and let's check. How about we go to number 2? When you make your 2, it's like a swan in a pond. Go and curve the top. Go down and slide, make a line. That's number 2. So this is like the head and the neck of your swan swimming down the pond. Number 2, T, W, and O. That's our word, two. And where are the pictures that show two? Let's see how many keys. That's two. One, two. Let's circle that. That shows two. How about for letter B, the string of beads? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That's not two, it's seven. How about the frames? It shows two. So let's circle this. Remember, we have two, one and two. Our number here, this is two, TWO, two. Let's jump to another number. What's after 2? It's number 3. Let's make number 3 around the tree. Around the tree, that's number 3. T, H, R, E, and E. That's how you spell your word three. Let's look for our set that shows three. How many robots do we have? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That's seven robots. But we don't need that. We need three. How about the cards? One, two, three. This is three. Let's circle. How about the beads here? Let's check. One, two, and three. That's also three. So we have all the things that show three. Let's jump to another word with FOUR. That's the word four. So let's make our number four. Line down, line to the right, go back up, a straight line down. You have number four. Let's spell it out again. O, U, and R, that's four, the word four. Now let's check our sets here. What picture shows four things? Let's do letter A, mark and count. One, two, three, four. Four umbrellas. Let's circle this one. How about B? How many circles? One, two, three, four. Four circles, that makes four. Let's circle this one. It's four. How about the hamburgers? One, two, three, four, five. This is five, not four. We only need four, remember? FOUR, four. After four is what number? Number five. Let's make our five. Go make a straight line. Line down again. Add a very big belly, number five. Again, how do we make five? Straight line down at the top, line down, add a very big belly, number five. Let's spell out five. F, I, V, and E, the word five. And how about our pictures that show five? So let's check our hamsters. Let's count them all. One, two, three, four, five. We have five hamsters. Let's circle this one. How about our hands? Do we have five fingers showing? No, it's only one. See? One. That's not five. How about the lined blocks? One, two, three, four, five. This is five. Let's circle this one. So we found all the things that show five. Now, how about we jump to another number? After five is the number six. When you make your six, go around and around, make a very big belly. That's your number six. Around and around, go in and go make a big belly. Six. Let's spell the word six. S, I, and X. That's our word six. Six. And how about for the things that show six? How many circles in letter A? One, two, three, four, five, and six. That shows six. Let's circle this one. How about our noses? One, two, three, four, five, six. Also six. Let's circle this one. And for letter C, is this six? Mark and count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. This is 10, not 6. Let me write 6 here in our noses. This is 10, not 6. Let's jump to another group of things. This time, we have the number 7, a number coming out of heaven. That's 7. Make the top go slide down. That's your number 7 coming out of heaven. Again, go make a straight at the top, slide down, number 7. Spell out the word 7. S E V E and N. That's the word 7. And for your letter A here, do we have 7 fingers showing? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This shows 9. We cannot circle that. How about our robots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This shows 7. Let's circle this one. And our sheeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also 7. Let's circle this group. So we found all those things that show the number 7. That is the last part of our lesson. Let's jump to our work time. And this time, let's do the first part. It is to make our letter A. So how do we make our A? Remember, it's like an arrow. Lines to the side, add a line across, capital letter A. Trace and write your letter A. Lowercase, go around up and down, go around up and down. Then let's put our pictures, the ones that show letter A for. Things that go in A. A is for the apple. A for the volcano? No. A for ant, A for alligator, and A for the acorn. Remember, volcano goes in V, not A. The things that you should cut and paste, and if your glue is dried, you can color apple, ant, alligator, and your acorn. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to another work and let's do our letter B. Trace your B, line down around the tree, around the tree. Line down around the tree, around the tree. That makes your capital letter B. Lowercase b, line down, add a bear's belly. That's how you make your lowercase letter B. Paste all the pictures that go in B. B is for the necktie. No. B is for ball. Yes. B for balloon. Yes. B for bed. Yes, also. And B for the B. So remember, necktie doesn't go in B. B is for ball, balloon, bed, and B. These are the pictures that you will paste. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let me jump to our next work. Here we have our letter C worksheet. Trace your letter C. Letter C is like a half-eaten cookie. Go around and stop, around and stop, around and stop. So remember, make your capital letter C. Lowercase c, just like capital, go around and stop. Continue working, tracing, and writing your letter C. And how about we do our next work, the pictures. Let's paste the ones that go in C. C is for the cake. C is for the carrot. C for car. Do we put sunflower in letter C? No, sunflower is for S. How about cow? Cow. Yes. So these are the pictures that you will place in your worksheet for C. Cake, carrot, car, and cow. Let's jump to another work, but if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. After C is the letter D. Line down, a half circle on the side, capital letter D. Lowercase d, line down, add a donut to the side. When you write your letters, always start from the top. Paste the pictures that go for letter D. D is for the dinosaur. D for dog. D for rainbow. Do we put rainbow? No, it's for R. It has R sound. D for donut. Yes. D for duck. Yes, also. So remember, rainbow is for R. Let's check the pictures that go in D again. Dinosaur, dog, donut, and duck. Now, how about we move to the next work? And if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to the letter E. So you have to trace E, line down, add 3 shelves, 1, 2, 3. Continue making your letter E, capital E. And how about lowercase e? Go around like an egg on a plate. Your letter E. Letter E. How about for the things that go in E? E is for the eagle. Paste it. E is for the ear. E is for the egg. E is for the rake. No, rake doesn't go in E. It's for R. And is E for the elephant? Yes. Remember, rake. You use the rake to pile up the leaves together. How about we go back to our E pictures? E for eagle, ear, egg, and elephant. Let's move to the next work, but if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. I'll be jumping to the next page. It's for the letter F. Let's do capital F, line down, 2 shelves, 1 and 2. Line down, line and line, letter F. Line and line, and it just looks like it's fine, your letter F. Lowercase f, like a faucet coming down. And how about for the pictures that go for F? Do we put kettle for F? No. Kettle has the K sound for K. How about flower? Yes. Fish? Yes. Fork? Yes. Football? Yes. So these are the things that you need to paste for your letter F worksheet. Kettle goes in K. Flower, fish, fork, and football, they all begin with F. Now, if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to another part of our worksheet of work time. This time, let's do the number 0. Let's paste the pictures that show 0. Remember, 0 is the number for nothing or empty. So let's put our pictures. This one, the balloon doesn't have anything. It's empty. This is the number 0. There are no fingers showing for this hand. This is 0. This one, the frame doesn't have any dots, 0. This one is the number. Let's check. Let's count. This is not 0. How many sticks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6 and 7. That shows 7, not 5. So it is not 0. A square, it doesn't have anything. That's empty. 0. How many fingers are showing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. That's not 0. The word zero, Z-E-R-N-O, that's how you spell the zero. So let's put this one here. And for our dice, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not zero, it shows 7. Put it in this box. So we found all the things that show zero and the ones that are not a zero. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to number 1. After 0 is 1. Just like our balloon, it shows 1. Number 1. What shows 1 here? This one has 1 dot. We have 1 finger. This is the number 1. How many sticks do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6 and 7, not number 1. In the other box. This one has 1 dot. And how about our die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. It doesn't show 1. How about this word? O-N-E. It spells the word 1. And for our fingers, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10, not number 1. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to the number 2. Let's check the balloon. You have 1 and 2. Now we need to find also things that show 2. We have how many sticks? 1 and 2. That's 2 sticks. Put it in the box for 2. This one, it's only 1. We cannot put it in number 2. We have how many dots in the dice? 1, 2. That's 2. And this is number 2. The hand shows 2 fingers? No, it's closed. So that's for 0. How about for this word? T-W-O. It spells the word 2. How about for our frames? How many dots? 1, 2. That's also 2. And the last one, how do you spell this one? S-I-X. That's for the word 6, not number 2. Put it here in the end. Now, if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But let's jump to another work. And here we have number 3. This time, like our balloon, we will do number 3. Let's check our dice. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 dot number 3. Put it at the bottom. How many finger showing? 1, 2, 3. That's for 3. Let's put it in here. How about for our dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3. Also 3. Put it in the box for 3. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliding down. And the number 6, that doesn't make 3. That's 6. Put it at the bottom. One long line, this one makes up 10. That doesn't make 3. That's for 10. This is our number 3. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3. That's 3. And when we spell out 3, what are the letters? T, H, R, E, and E. That's for the word 3. If you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But let's jump to the next number. It's for number 4. Our balloon shows 4 numbers, 1 to 4. Let's look for 4. How many fingers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are showing. This is 4. And let's do our word, F-O-U-N-R. This is for the word 4. Paste it also. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 boxes. Paste also. Does this show 4? No, this is for 8. Making a loop and going back home, that's 8. That's not 4. Put it in the other box. How many sticks? 1, 2. That's for 2, not number 3. How about the frame? How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for 5, not 4. Put it at the bottom. How many dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Let's space. And the dice, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 dots. Let's put it here. And if you're finished, let's move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to another work. Now this time, our number is the number 5. The number after 4 is the number 5. So let's check. How about we start with our sticks? Mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. That's for 5. Paste. And our number 5, a line at the top, line down, make a very big belly. That's number 5. Then how about for the boxes? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. That's 3 dot number 5. How about our dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Let's put it here. How about our fingers? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't show 5, but 8. Put in the other box. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. Let's put it here. How about our dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This shows 5 in a frame. And how about for this word? Let's spell it out. N-I-N-E. That's not for 5. This is for the word 9. When we do 5, remember, it is spelled with the letters F, I, V, and E for 5. That's how you spell the word 5. If you're not yet done with the work, pause this video, play it again once you're done. Let's jump to the number 6. We are going to look for 6. Let's start with the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliding down. Then we have 6 that makes 6. Let's paste this one. This is 6. How about for our dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10, not number 6. Put it in the other box. How about the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7, not 6. How about the fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's for 6. Put it in our box for 6. This is our number 6. Let's put it in the box. And how do we spell the word 6? S-I-X. This is the word 6. How about for the sticks? 1 and 2, that shows 2, not 6. And the last one, this shows how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6. Put it in the box. So we have all our number 6. And if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. But let's jump to the last worksheet, the last work for today. We have our number 7. Start first with our fingers on the screen. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That shows 7. Let's paste this one. How about the dot? We have only one, not for number 7. This one is our number 7. Coming out of heaven, that's 7. How about the frames? How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's also 7. How about the dice? How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's for 9, not number 7. How about our fingers? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't show 7 but 8. And our boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. Paste. And the last one, how do we spell the word 7? S-E-V-E-N-N, the word 7. Remember, this is the last page of your work, but if you're not yet done, pause this video, play it again once you're done. And since you're on the last page, if you're done already, let's jump to choosing your sticker friend. So I'll be choosing for you since this is a recorded class. Kyle will go to Marshall, Eliana in Everest, Julius in Tracker, Marcus in Chase, Megan in Sky, Lian in Sky. And I hope that you finish your work for today. Please finish it so that you will also have the review for your assessment this fourth quarter. I will be seeing you tomorrow again. Bye bye.